Zoramthanga is a politician from northeast India and the current Chief Minister of Mizoram. He was born on 13th July 1944 at Samthang Village. Zoramthanga was born to Pudarpunga and Pivan Noitsingi to be the second youngest of their 8 children. He has 5 brothers and 3 sisters. The family moved to Champhai in 1960. Zoramthanga married Pirone Isangi on 2nd February 1988 and has 1 son and 1 daughter. Zoramthanga did his primary education from 1950 to 1954. He went to middle school at South Kobung and passed 6th standard in 1956. From 1957 to 1960, he studied at Champhai Gandhi Memorial High School, Champhai from class 7th to 10th. He finished his college from DM College, Manipur. After his graduation, he joined Mizo National Front and actively participated in the movement as well as the political activities. He served as the Chief Minister of Mizoram from December 1998 to December 2008 for 2 consecutive terms. He is the leader of the Mizo National Front, MNF. Zoramthanga was known for never losing elections until 2008. His total net worth is Rs 2.18 crore.